played well sa our Davao tournament. I think we were playing very well. Pero syempre, all the other teams also are feeling out, during the tournament, the off-season tournament. And then when we came back, we had our practices, and then had also maybe 3 or 4 scrimmages. There we did do too well. And we have one more scrimmage next week to end the preseason, and then we'll be preparing for this coming season.
Coach, after nung Philippine Cup nyo na quarterfinals nyo na talo kayo, even with the twice na advantage.
Yeah, but we have our we realize naman our deficiencies. And well, one of the ways to improve that is through the draft or through the trade, but we'll see how our draft picks perform. Pero unfortunately, baka next conference na yun because nasa MPBL pa sila. So today, this season, this first conference, kung ano yung team namin last conference, yun din yung team namin this conference.
Coach, yung nga si NJ kinuha sa first round, siyempre dami yung guards, but you still decided to get LJ, but siya yung napili na.
It's hard to pass up on LJ in terms of talent. So I know we've been playing small ball. Now we will be smaller ball. Pero it's hard to pass up the talent of LJ. Yes, there might be big men available at that spot, diba? Pero we just decided to go with LJ's talent.
Si LJ po ba nakapag-practice?
They are nasa playoff sila. They will make it to the next round. So I think his priority right now is the MPBL.
So yung bigs mo, Brandon Ramirez and Policarpio and the rest of the guys, at kumusta yung development nila, considering na yung nabanggit mo na small ball kayo?
Okay naman yung development nila. We're still trying to improve them in their individual skills because yes, we do lack some size, so we cannot just overpower everybody. In fact, we are being overpowered by most teams. Parang nakita mo dun sa rain or shine, diba? We would have won that game if we just got the rebound. So yun, mga ganon, those little things that we should be improving as the season goes on or this coming season.
Bolik, kumusta naman si Patrice about his role for the coming season? Is the same or mas malaki yung magiging role?
No, I'm satisfied with the way he is playing. He's getting his teammates involved. He's being a great leader to the team. Bigyan ng kumpiyansa yung mga kakampi niya. Alam naman natin that at the end of the day, at the end of the game, at the end of the day, siya rin naman yung magiging main man natin. He's been very unselfish in his game. He knows that it doesn't necessarily mean that he needs to score 30 to 40 points to win the game, but he knows that he has to play a lot of minutes. Yeah.
How do you see the competition with teams improving, draft picks nila, magaganda?
Yun, talaga naman like we played Converge yesterday. Their draft picks really helped them, and they've through the draft the past 2 years and some trades, they became a team that you'll have to contend with talaga. They've got size, they've got... So, ano yan? Kumbaga, ang sinasabi ko is proseso ba? Time. Hindi naman quick fix yan. So, time. And we're getting there naman. Because sinasabing we're there already even if we went to the... We were top 2 in last conference. But we're getting there. Slowly but surely.
Coach, just your thoughts sa mga incoming coaches, some of them naging players, di ba? So, just your thoughts na mga bagong coaches.
Yeah, masaya naman ako na yung mga naging player ko na nakikita kong nagko-coach. So, it's ganun talaga yun, di ba? That's what you, after basketball, after playing, you want to see your players also hopefully get into the coaching scene. And it's good that you see them coaching, but it's not good because you see them coaching. Kasi ibig sabihin, umiikot na yung yung oras. So na you are being what? How do you say? Slowly moving up the ladder. Baka but yeah, you're happy. Generally happy ka naman.